Just having some more focus fun again. This time car hasn't been getting as good a gas mileage lately, so yesterday I stuck the code reader on it and it put out a 420 code. I thought that was probably the upstream O2 sensor there, but it wasn't. It was actually the cataclysmic reverter supposedly not doing its job right. It could be plugged, could be all kinds of stuff. I don't know. That doesn't really look plugged to me, but anyway. So anyway, I pulled the one off my old Focus, and so this is the one off of this car, and I put mine on. But unfortunately the lower flange there, as you can see, this one's seen some kind of better days too, but mine was rotted like right out. There was hardly anything left holding the bolts on. So I got smart and modified a piece of 1/4 inch steel pipe. I cut it about 3/4 inch long, and then milled a 3/8 hole through it for the bolt, and then sliced it in half so it was about the thickness of that flange. Anyways, welded it all up, welded the flange, so now it's you know, a flange again, not 2 U-slots. I've done that type of thing a bunch of times before. And there she is installed. You can see my fabulous welding, some of it there. Now that's unground. On the face of it, of course, I ground it better, so because it's got to be flat to seal, right? And you can see my my double nutted 3/8 stainless bolts there, and I've been using those for over 20 years, and you can reuse them. Well, the Corolla I sent to the scrapyard last year, I pulled the bolts off it, the 91 Corolla. So these bolts, they practically last forever. And you can see my red high temp silicone seal there. So I got the O2 sensors all reconnected and all that. Heat shield on up top, so she should be good to go. I just got to erase the codes out of the confuser there, and should be good to go. And here's hoping that it gets good gas mileage. All these parts should be good, like the O2 sensors on mine, both of them should have been good. And I wasn't getting any 420 codes on the computer in it, so whatever problem this converter has, if it does indeed have one, it shouldn't have. Now supposedly a person can like put these things in soap and water for 10 hours or so and then dry them out and give them a wash like that. I guess there's also something you can dump in your gas tank to try to clean the converter, but if I get another 420 code, I'll be doing something like that, because I can't figure why it's doing this. The only thing that happened when I changed the clutch last summer was the bottom got broke out of the air box, so I make a little extra intake noise, but I can't see that, you know, I don't know, changing the mixture, so that the O2 sensor should adjust the mixture anyways. So I have no idea why the converter would do that. But anyway, enough of that for now. So just having focus fun here, so everybody take care.